Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, and I'll be sharing with you 5 essential tips to master its usage and unlock its full potential. Before we jump into the tips, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is and why mastering it matters. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. Whether you're a content creator, student, or developer, mastering ChatGPT can revolutionize your workflow. Tip number 1. Understand ChatGPT's capabilities. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of what ChatGPT can and cannot do. Knowing ChatGPT's strengths and limitations helps in crafting more effective prompts and managing expectations. Tip number 2. Optimize your input prompts. Crafting clear and concise prompts is key to getting accurate and relevant responses from ChatGPT. A well-crafted prompt sets the stage for a productive interaction with ChatGPT. Tip number 3. Engage in iterative conversations. Iteration is the secret sauce to refining your interactions with ChatGPT and getting the best results. Iterative conversations help in fine-tuning ChatGPT's responses and achieving desired outcomes. Tip number 4. Utilize context management. Understanding and managing context is essential for maintaining coherence in conversations with ChatGPT. Effective context management ensures smooth and coherent interactions with ChatGPT. Tip number 5. Provide feedback for improvement. Your feedback plays a crucial role in helping ChatGPT learn and improve over time. Feedback fuels ChatGPT's learning and evolution, contributing to its continuous improvement. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to master ChatGPT. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to apply these tips and explore the endless possibilities with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy chatting with ChatGPT.